Are you tired of thinking and searching how to create SEO content that ranks on Google? Creating SEO content that ranks on Google is the ultimate goal for every content creator. But how do you make sure your content not only ranks but dominates the search results? That's where Outranking.io comes in. In this Outranking.io review, we'll explore how this powerful SEO content tool can elevate your content strategy and help you achieve those top spots. So, what is Outranking.io? Outranking.io is an AI-powered SEO content tool designed to help you optimize your content for better search engine rankings. But what makes it stand out? Outranking.io combines SERP analysis, AI-driven suggestions, and strategic content briefs to create content that aligns perfectly with Google's algorithm. But what does Outranking do specifically? It analyzes the top ranking pages for your target keywords, breaking down their structure, keyword usage, and content depth. Then, it provides actionable insights to help you craft content that meets or exceeds those standards. One of the standout Outranking.io features is its AI driven content optimization. This feature goes beyond basic keyword suggestions by focusing on content intent and relevance. For example, if you're targeting a keyword like best SEO tools, Outranking.io will analyze what makes the top ranking content successful and guide you on how to structure your content similarly, ensuring it's both comprehensive and aligned with what users are searching for. This process doesn't just improve your content's keyword density, it transforms it into a piece that Google sees as authoritative, boosting your chances of ranking on Google. Now, let's talk about structuring your content. Outranking.io offers a unique content brief creation tool that helps you plan your content strategically. It uses SERP data to suggest headings, subheadings, and key points that should be covered to ensure your content is thorough and well organized. This tool is especially useful for creating content that not only meets user expectations but is also easy for Google to crawl and index, further improving your chances of ranking higher. It's the backbone of this SEO content tool. Outranking AI analyzes vast amounts of data to offer insights that are tailored to your specific content needs. It's like having an SEO expert guide you through every step of the content creation process. Another cool feature of Outranking.io is how it aligns its suggestions with Google's EEAT algorithm. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but it stands for expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Basically, it helps you create content that not only ranks well, but also shows Google that you really know your stuff. By following these suggestions, you're telling Google, hey, I'm an expert on this topic, which can make a huge difference in how your content is perceived and ranked. Plus, Outranking.io doesn't stop there. It also checks your content's originality against the top 20 pages that are currently ranking, making sure what you're writing is not only unique but also stands out from the crowd. So, how does Outranking.io fit into your SEO content strategy? As this Outranking review shows, it's more than just a keyword tool. It's a comprehensive platform that helps you create content that ranks. By focusing on both the relevance and structure of your content, Outranking.io ensures that your content is not only seen but ranked. Now, the final say, is Outranking worth the money? Well, if you're serious about improving your content's ranking on Google, Outranking.io is a tool worth considering. That's why I'm giving it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. It's powerful, but as with any tool, it's important to weigh the pros and cons for your specific needs. Ready to take your content strategy to the next level? Try Outranking.io and see the difference it can make in your rankings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on SEO tools and strategies. You can also visit our website for more interesting AI content. Until next time, keep optimizing.